Hi and welcome to this new video in which I'm going to make a little bit of comparison between the Titan security key and the Yubiko security key. And as a disclaimer, I've used the Yubiko a lot of time and I'm pretty new to Titan security key, so I'm very less experienced in Titan key. But in this video, I just want to show why I prefer Yubikey over the Titan key. Well, the first thing is, how can I reset my key? So if I'm going to Google site and try to find help for my Titan key, the idea is if your security key is locked, blah, 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 you need to go to setting, privacy and security, security, manage security key. So I'm going to show you that in my actual Chrome browser, I have setting, I have privacy and security, then I go to security, and I have no manage security key. So while the problem is managing the key, it's very, very easier with Yubikey because you have all the tool made by Yubiko that works seamlessly, work in every operating system. So you have a graphical user interface for very basic operation like changing the pin, for resetting the key, and you have a command line for more advanced thing, like as you see in my previous video, list all credential, delete a single credential in your FIDO2 key. While in Google, you don't have a way to look at all the credential and delete a single credential. But also in my system, it seems not even to work the basic reset because manage security key is not appearing in the menu of my Chrome. I have also a Chrome setting direct link for this, so I can paste in my browser, and yeah, I am redirected to the standard security, and so I have no way whatsoever to reset the key or change my PIN in Chrome. So I'm pretty much stuck in this. So probably it is a problem of my Chrome, it's a problem of my operating system, but I really prefer the Yubiko approach that gives you dedicated software for managing your key. Luckily enough, security key are pretty much standard hardware. So you can open your Windows setting, you can go to account, and in the account section, you have a sign-in option. And in the sign-in option, you can manage how you sign in into your Windows account. And you can see that there is a section called security key, and you can press this section, and it is checking that you indeed have a security key connected to the computer. In this situation, I have my Titan key connected to my USB port, so I can press manage, and the system is asking me to touch my security key. So I'm touching my security key, and as you can see, Windows is giving you the ability to perform the two most common operation on your key, and it's change your security key pin or resetting your security key. So if you don't find the option under Chrome as described in the standard Google help for your Titan key, you can go inside your setting on Windows and you can perform those operations by yourself. As an example, I want to change the pin, so I press change, and it asks me the current security pin and the new security pin. Just press OK, and the security pin is set. So I've changed my security pin thanks to Windows, and I also can reset the security key. But as I told you before, this is the only managing tool I found to manage my Titan key. So I have no way on listing all the single passkey that I have on my Titan security key, nor I can delete a single credential. I must admit that the Google Titan key has an astonishing space of 250 passkeys. So it's impossible you run out of space and you need to delete other passkey. But even Yubikey with the new firmware has 100 passkey. The ability to delete a single credential or to list the credential, in my opinion, add a good management toolbox on your arsenal and make usage of your Yubikey much more interesting, especially for me that I have more security key, more Yubikey. So if for some reason I get confused, I can always plug my YubiKey, list all the credentials, and understand which of the key I'm talking about. So I really appreciate the custom tooling Yubico gives to me, and I'm a little bit disappointed on the minimal support that I have for Titan security key that is offered by the basic functionality of my operating system or the browser. And this concludes this video. I hope I'm helping someone that gets stuck on how to change the pin or reset the Titan key. And I'm waiting you on the next video on this series.